Read now, book of grade 2. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. I'm also good, alhamdulillah. I'm your teacher, I'm your English teacher, Miss Sobia Jamshed is here from Al-Qura Public School, Junior Branch, MTC. I want to say welcome to you in our online classes. Today we are going to do the back exercise of our chapter, The Greedy Dog. As we have done the reading and explanation, today we are going to do the back exercise of this chapter, The Greedy Dog. Exercise number 1. You will choose the best option. As you can see, here is a statement in part A. A dog is dash. Here are 3 options: a fish, a bird, or an animal. So, what do you think? A dog is a fish? No. A bird? No. An animal? Yes, a dog is an animal. So, you will write in this blank this answer, an animal. Is it clear? Now come to the part B of exercise number 1. Part B statement is a dog has dash legs. Here are options 2, 4 and 6. What do you think? How many legs does a dog have? 2, 4, 6. So the answer is the dog has 4 legs. This option is correct. F-O-U-R 4. You will write this answer in this blank 4. Now come to the part C of exercise number 1. Part C is a dog has a coat of dash, hair, wool or feathers. No. The dog has a coat of hair. You will write in this blank the answer is hair. This option is correct. H-A-I-R hair. Let's see the part D of exercise number 1. Part D is a dog dash. What does a dog do? Whistles? No. Quacks? No. Barks. Barks is a sound which produced by a dog. So the dog produced the sound of barks. You will write here in this blank answer is barks. B-A-R-K-S. Barks. Now come to the next statement of exercise number 1. Statement E. A dog's foot is called a dash, paw, hoof, tusk. So the answer is, the correct option is paw. P-A-W, paw. A dog's foot is called a paw. P-A-W, paw. Come to the next option, part F. Statement part F. A baby dog is called dash. What we will call a baby dog? Chicken? No. Kitten? No. Puppy? Yes. Puppy is the name of the dog's baby. Dog's baby is called a puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. You will write in this blank puppy. This is the spelling of puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Now come to the next statement of exercise number 1. A dog's house is called a dash. What we will call the dog's house? Stable? No. Sty? No. Kennel? Yes, the name of the dog's house is kennel. You will write in this blank kennel. Kennel, kennel. Exercise number 1. This exercise you have on your book, back exercise. You will write the correct option. By the help of given statements, by the help of given slides, you will fill these blanks. Okay students, our exercise number 1 has done. Now come to the exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is every sentence should start with capital letters and end with a full stop. Students, you all will keep in your mind always when we will start writing a sentence, the first letter of the sentence will be capital and we will put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Write the sentence correctly. I have some sentences for you. You can see what is the mistake in this sentence. Firstly, we will read, a butcher gave a bone to a dog. It is a sentence and it is the rule of a sentence. When we will start a sentence, we will take the sentence, we will take the start of a sentence with the capital letter. So here is a mistake. Here is A is small. So we will write this sentence correctly by the using capital letter, and at the end we will add the full stop. So let's see. This statement is correct. A butcher gave a bone to a dog. As you can see, here A is small and here A is capital. First letter of the sentence will be capital and here is no full stop at the end of this sentence. So here in this sentence I have add a full stop, as you can see. It is the correct way to writing a sentence. So look at the next sentence. Next sentence is the dog ran down the street. As it is, we will change this sentence. First letter of the will be capital, T will be capital, and we will add the full stop at the end of this sentence. Next sentence is the, as it is, we will change T into capital letter and we will add full stop in the end of this sentence. The animal had to cross a stream. Okay students, now let's see the next sentences. Sentence D. In the water, he saw another dog. Here is no capital letter in the first word and here is no full stop. So we will add correct sentences. As you can see, in I will be capital and dog, at the end of the sentence we will add the full stop. Next sentence, he wanted to steal the other bone. We will write this sentence correctly. H will be capital and we will add the full stop at the end of the sentence. Next sentence, part F, the dog barked at the other dog. So T will be capital and we will add the full stop at the end of this sentence. The dog barked at the other dog. Students, you will write these sentences correctly in your book at the back exercise of your chapter. Last two sentences, the silly creature lost his own bone. The T will be capital and we will add full stop here. As you can see, T is capital and here is full stop at the end of the sentence. Part H and the last part is, it sank to the bottom of the stream. It, I will be capital and we will add the full stop as it is. Have you seen the students both exercises? I hope you have better understanding of these exercises. You will do these both exercises on your book by the help of this video and you will learn this back exercise by your heart. Okay students, this is the exercise number 2. At your book, you will change this first small letter into capital letter and in the end you will put the full stop. It is your exercise number 2. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, have a nice day. Inshallah tomorrow we will meet with our new lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.